Hello and welcome back. This is a bit of a different video. Just a comparison between the Origin Char Zaku 2 and the new Revive Char Zaku 2. I would also throw in the original High Grade, but I don't have it. And also, why would you get that when you have the Revive? But if you want more in-depth looks at either of these kits, I'll have some cards up. You can go watch my reviews of either of them. But this is just kind of a quick video to talk about some of the more notable differences and also which one's better. Now, obviously one of the main differences is the level of detail. The new Revive goes for anime accuracy, whereas the Origin also goes for accuracy, but of a different design. A lot more panel lining, a lot more rivet marks, chest Vulcans where the Revive doesn't have them. But also, the proportions are different. The Origin has much bulkier feet, whereas the Revive tends to go for more of a consistent bulk across the whole suit. Noticeably, the Origin kit is about a head taller than the Revive, which is interesting, though that may also reflect the price, as the Origin kit is also over $5 more. Now, having the two next to each other, you can obviously see the color differences. The Origin is much less saturated and also darker overall. Aside from the gray, oddly enough, used for the feet, knees, and chest, is a lot lighter. Now, what about articulation? Honestly, pretty comparable. The Revive has slightly more, but it's not actually as much as you would think. Aside from the extra swivel in the elbows and the fact that the knees get slightly more of a bend, the articulation is pretty much the same. Aside from the feet, which have a massive step up in the Revive. They both can angle forward perfectly fine, however, the Origin kits have a horrible problem where the ankles don't actually move back at all. About 10 degrees at most. Whereas the Revive gets 25, 30. I mean, it's still not amazing, but it's enough. As for the builds, they both go together really well and are honestly a lot of fun either way. So I guess the big question is the Revive objectively better than the Origin? And the answer is not really. It really does just come down to which one you prefer. Personally, I'm leaning more towards the anime aesthetic, so the Revive wins out for me, but I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It helps a lot. Subscribe for Gunpla reviews. You can watch my backlog. If you're watching this the day it goes up, I actually just reviewed the Char Zaku Revive. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, until next time, happy building.